Smart Data Ecosystem in Agriculture. This is a demonstration video for the Ministry of Agriculture in Indonesia. Meet Hassan. He works at a farm dealer in Palembang, Indonesia, and has always dreamed of working closer to nature. As a millennial passionate about food, Hassan cares deeply about where it comes from and believes everyone has the right to access fresh, healthy food. One day, Hassan heard on the radio that the Ministry of Agriculture, Kementan, is launching a new farming initiative, 1,775 food brigades. Each brigade will have teams of 15 people working together to optimize idle and underused agricultural land across Indonesia. The goal? National food self-sufficiency. Hassan hears there's a recruitment booth nearby. Curious, he walks over to learn more. A staff member takes down Hassan's details at the booth and verifies his ID. He's told that by joining the food brigade, he'll be issued a DataSwift wallet. This wallet gives him ownership of his data, which will be used throughout his participation in the food brigade with the ministry. Shortly after, Hassan receives an SMS confirming his registration. The SMS contains a link to download an app called Checked. He taps the link, registers using his phone, and sees that he's been issued a food brigade team badge in his DataSwift wallet. When he taps on the badge, he notices that his personal information, including his name, photo, and verification history, is now stored in his Kementan data profile. The badge also unlocks access to other opportunities. He sees a badge, Ready Set Farm, which he can earn by completing official agronomy and equipment training. Another badge, Next Gen Farmer, shows the path to becoming a verified landowner, with land records attached to his Kementan data profile. Some time later, Hassan completes the training and is later assigned a plot of land. He's now the proud owner of the Next Gen Farmer badge, with all the land details, including plot size and location, stored in his DataSwift wallet. Hassan notices the button View Offers on his badge. He's surprised to see he can now obtain loans for farm equipment, buy seeds at discounted prices, pre-sell his future harvest to verified off-takers. To be eligible for government subsidies, Hassan must authenticate a new crop receipt badge. This badge asks 3 questions. 1. What crop is he growing? 2. What's the estimated harvest size? 3. When is the harvest expected? Hassan submits his answers. The crop receipt badge is marked as pending. A day later, Dayatani, a remote sensing provider using satellite data, authenticates his crop receipt badge. The badge also shows the name of the off-taker interested in buying Hassan's crops. The badge has a monthly expiry and is automatically revalidated using updated data from Dayatani. Hassan also sees green badges issued by Kementan that he could claim, such as crops covered for insured harvests, anti-deforestation compliance for better market access. When harvest season arrives, an off-taker visits Hassan's farm and scans his Next Gen Farmer badge. The off-taker instantly issues a verified receipt and stores it in Hassan's Kementan data profile, confirming the volume and quality of crops collected. The Ministry of Agriculture, Kementan, is pleased. Using insights from the DataSwift wallet dashboard, they can now access privacy-preserving crop maps to plan food supply strategies. More importantly, they enable farmers to use their data as an asset, unlocking access to tools, training, subsidies, and income opportunities. DataSwift helped the ministry to design the ecosystem and establish a smart data scheme that is bringing in more issuers to the Indonesian network, creating greater impact and economic growth from data. Back on his land, Hassan is thriving. Hassan regularly checks his DataSwift wallet to collect, own, and share his data, unlock new offers, manage his badges, and grow his farm. Proud of his data ownership, he's now a vocal advocate for the Kementan Food Brigade initiative. That's how Checked, powered by the DataSwift wallet, is able to support farming and agriculture. For more information, visit us at checked.io.